Hello everyone, I am Dr. Spreadsheet and I am here to provide you solution of your problems. So this is my first video, and in my first video I will start with the very basic problem. Some of the people don't have the idea how they can make drop down list in Excel. So what I'm gonna do, I'll show you how you can create an Excel uh, spreadsheet very interactive with the use of your drop down list. Okay, so for example, let's just say we have a spreadsheet like this, and we have to enter the data daily, and here we have to write the name of our employees. So for example, I'll put the name John and I accidentally put S, so I want to avoid these errors. So the very best way to remove these errors are to create a drop down list here. Okay, so the first step to create the drop down list is select the range. So here our range is cell A7, A8 to A13. Okay, here we want to have the drop down list. Then go to the data tab of your Excel here, and then go to the data validations. Okay, when you will press on the data validation, you will have this dialog box open, and from here you will select the list. Here there are now two methods to create a drop down list. You can put the name like Mike and with separated with comma, Hazi, comma, Tina, and the name of your employees you can put here. Okay, when you will press OK, so you will have a drop down list on the selected cells. So you can see this. Now I'm going to select these all, go here and clear all and press OK. Now the drop down list has been removed. So what if you have the list tab separately, or you have a list in another column? So go to the again in the data validation, and from here the drop in the list and press is equal to sign. Go to the list tab and select, by dragging your mouse, select all which have the names, and then press OK, and now you have created a drop down list. Okay, you can see you have a drop down list here, and now you cannot enter the wrong name. Like for instance, let's just put S and press enter. This will show the value does not match the validation restrictions. So what we did, we save our times and efforts to, and this will be a very handy technique. So this is all for my first video. And the problem with this spreadsheet is that when we add a new name here, like Martin, like this, I will add the name here Martin, and I will go here, you will see nothing is here. So we can make this dynamic, which I will explain in my next video. Alright, so thank you so much and for watching this video, and if you like this one, so kindly subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.